Hello. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about what is machine learning, the overview about machine learning. So machine learning is the application for future prediction. How this future prediction is possible? So we'll see how. So based on the past data pattern, okay, we are selecting the algorithm. So but how algorithm help for future prediction? Okay, we'll take one example. We'll take one task. This is a few salary prediction based on the year of experience. In this particular graph, we have only experience up to 5, but we want to find the experience for 16 years, which doesn't have here. So finding out the salary for 16 years is the task for the future prediction. Okay, we got the data pattern. Okay, then how we can select the algorithm y is equal to mx plus b. So this is a linear pattern, so we are selecting the linear algorithm, right? So find increasing or decreasing pattern of the data, but how? So slope or weight, which decides the pattern. Okay, so after finding the slope or weight and the bias, create a model. So this is the important terminology of AI word, the model. So nothing but finding out the constant weight and the origin. Okay, so we can do future prediction using the model. So now formula is converted into a model, right? So now we'll do find for when x is equal to 16. So substituting x equal to 16 in this place. So if we calculate, we get the salary of 26,800, right? So we predicted the future, like what will be the salary for when you get 16 years of experience. So that is fully based on the past data. So the machine learning future prediction is possible for regression classification. So what is regression? The numerical prediction, output value will be numerical prediction. For classification, output variable will be yes or no. So that is number and yes or no, or positive or negative. Otherwise for numerical it may be a decimal number, right? So pattern and respective formulas. For each pattern we have formulas. So finding weight and bias matters in machine learning. So if you find weight and bias for each of the formulas, then you can able to do the future prediction, right? So calculating the weight and bias is the learning process of machine. That's why it is called machine learning. So easy, right? So we have many concepts for machine learning, but overview about machine learning covers in this video. Okay, so we'll see it on next video. Thank you so much.